Is your gaming rig running hot? Don't let airflow bottlenecks throttle your performance. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best airflow PC cases, perfect for gamers, streamers, and creators who demand cool, quiet, and powerful setups. From stunning designs to superior cooling and cable management, these cases are built to beat the heat. Whether you're upgrading or building fresh, we've got the perfect pick for your next build. Ready to keep things chill? Let's dive in. Number 5. NZXT H9 Flow, a dual-chamber mid-tower built for serious cooling and clean builds. Let's break it down, fast and to the point. The H9 Flow is a cooling beast, supporting up to 10 fans and multiple 360mm radiators. That perforated top panel pushes air straight to your GPU, perfect for high-end cards like the NVIDIA 40 series or AMD 7000 series. With 435mm GPU clearance, you're set for even the biggest graphics cards. Design-wise, it's stunning. The edge-to-edge glass panel gives you a clean showcase, while the dual-chamber layout hides all your cables and PSU for that pro look. It supports mini ITX, micro ATX, and ATX boards, making it super versatile no matter your build style. On the front I/O, you get USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2, plus a headset jack. Fast access for all your essentials. And building inside? Smooth. NZXT's cable management is intuitive and hassle-free. The NZXT H9 Flow isn't just a case, it's a statement. Cool, clean, and crafted for performance. If airflow, style, and ease matter to you, this one's a no-brainer. Like, comment your build ideas, and don't forget to subscribe for more PC gear breakdowns. Number 4. The Corsair 4000D Airflow might just be your next obsession. Clean design, smart airflow, and builder-friendly features. This mid-tower is no ordinary shell. Let's dive into why this case has become a favorite among PC enthusiasts. First off, the 4000D Airflow nails the balance between minimalism and function. Its steel front panel not only looks sharp, it's built to last. With cutout ventilation channels running along the sides, it delivers that signature airflow without sacrificing aesthetics. It's all about keeping your components cool while turning heads. Inside, it's a builder's dream. The spacious interior supports up to 6 120mm fans or 4 140mm fans. And yes, radiator support is top tier. A 360mm in the front and a 280mm up top. 2 pre-installed 120mm air guide fans come standard. These aren't your average fans. They feature anti-vortex vanes to direct airflow right where it matters most. Now let's talk about one of Corsair's standout features, the rapid route cable management system. You get a 25mm channel behind the motherboard tray and Velcro straps to route cables easily and neatly. Say goodbye to spaghetti cables and hello to clean, professional builds. Need storage? You're covered with support for 2 2.5-inch SSDs and 2 3.5-inch HDDs, plus flexible mounting options. Want to show off that beefy GPU? The 4000D is vertical GPU mount ready. Just add a riser cable and you're good to go. Front I/O includes a USB 3.1 Type-C port, USB 3.0, and a combo audio jack. Everything right where you need it. And the slide-on, slide-off tempered glass side panel, smooth, tool-free, and perfect for showing off your RGB masterpiece. The Corsair 4000D Airflow is more than just a case. It's the foundation for performance, cooling, and clean design. Number 3, the MSI MPG Gungnir 300R Airflow, a PC case designed not just for airflow, but for absolute dominance. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about this stylish and functional chassis, from its cooling power to its modular features. So stick around if you're serious about upgrading your build game. Let's talk airflow, because MSI isn't messing around. The Gungnir 300R features a one-piece 1mm perforated front panel that's built for ventilation. It's not just mesh, it's precision designed for maximum air intake. The case comes pre-installed with 4 120mm ARGB fans, fully controllable via MSI Mystic Light, so you're getting both performance and visual flair right out of the box. You can install dual 360mm AIO radiators, one at the front and one at the top, for a powerful push-pull cooling setup that handles the most demanding hardware without breaking a sweat. If you love building PCs, or even if it's your first time, this case has you covered. One of its standout features is the omnidirectional GPU support stand, which is toolless weightless and fully adjustable. Whether your GPU is mounted horizontally or vertically, the Gungnir 300R keeps it steady. You also get a sliding HDD tray and a switchable GPU bracket, making installation and future upgrades smooth and frustration-free. With support for eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX, this case fits just about any motherboard you throw at it. Let's be honest, we all want a rig that looks as good as it runs. The MPG Gungnir 300R delivers with controllable ARGB lighting, visible through its ventilated panels and clean interior. The sleek, minimal design screams premium gaming. Whether you're going full RGB unicorn or clean stealth mode, the Gungnir adapts to your vibe. The tempered glass side panel lets you show off your hardware while still maintaining clean lines and solid construction. The front I/O panel comes packed with modern options: USB 3.2 Gen 1, Gen 2x2, Type-C, audio jacks, and dedicated LED control. So no extra software needed just to tweak lighting on the fly. Internally, there's space for a 360mm GPU, and you can pack in serious storage with dedicated SSD and HDD bays. Whether you're a content creator, streamer, or hardcore gamer, you're getting expansion room and modern connectivity without compromise. So, is the MSI MPG Gungnir 300R Airflow worth it? Absolutely. It's a case that blends high-end cooling, modular design, and bold aesthetics into one future-proof chassis. Number 2. The Lee LanCool 2 Mesh RGB, a mid-tower powerhouse built for gamers and creators who want their rig to stay cool, look incredible, and be insanely easy to build in. Stick around, because I'm about to break down every detail that makes this case a total game changer. Starting with the build, Lee is known for quality, and the LanCool 2 Mesh RGB definitely lives up to the reputation. Crafted from sturdy steel with an option for tempered glass side panels, this case not only feels solid, but also gives you a crystal clear view of your components. It comes in sleek black or clean white, letting you pick the style that matches your vibe. Now let's talk airflow, because this case is all about keeping your high-performance parts cool. The front panel is a full mesh design, accompanied by additional mesh areas and a clever honeycomb vent pattern, ensuring your system breathes easily. Included are 3 ARGB 120mm fans, not just for cooling, but to add a dynamic, customizable RGB flare that can sync with your other components for that wow factor. One of my favorite features is how modular this case is. The hinged flip panels allow easy access to the inside. No need to remove screws or struggle with panels. The fan and radiator bracket can be installed in multiple ways, so whether you want to run a big liquid cooling setup or stick with air cooling, you have options. This versatility is perfect if you plan to upgrade your cooling system down the line. Storage is generous, with support for up to 9 drives via a modular drive cage and multiple SSD mounts. For cable management, Lee really thought this through. The two-way cable management bar and well-placed cover plates help keep your cables tidy and out of sight, improving both airflow and the overall aesthetics. Finally, the case is designed with future upgrades in mind. You can get optional kits for additional customization. So as your build grows or your style evolves, the LanCool 2 Mesh can adapt with you. So if you want a PC case that combines robust build quality, exceptional airflow, stunning RGB, and incredible modularity, the LanCool 2 Mesh RGB is absolutely worth considering. Number 1. The Fractal Design North Airflow is not just another chassis. It's a stunning fusion of natural wood, premium materials, and high-end engineering designed to blend seamlessly into your living space while delivering top-tier airflow and performance. This Red Dot Design Award winner is perfect for gamers and creators who want a build that's both beautiful and powerful. Visually, the North stands apart with real oak or walnut front panels that add warmth and sophistication, complemented by faux leather tabs and steel or brass accents for a premium feel. It supports ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards, fitting GPUs up to 355mm, so high-end components are no problem. Cooling is a priority here, with support for radiators up to 360mm in the front, an open front panel, and a mesh top. Your system stays cool under pressure. Two quiet but effective Aspect 14 PWM 140mm fans come pre-installed for balanced airflow without noise. Storage options are flexible, with 2 combined 3.5-inch/2.5-inch drive mounts plus 2 dedicated 2.5-inch mounts, so you can mix HDDs and SSDs as you please. Building and upgrading is hassle-free thanks to removable side panels and an integrated top panel tab, while smart cable management keeps everything tidy and optimized for airflow. The front I/O includes a modern Type-C port along with USB-A and audio jacks, ensuring compatibility with today's peripherals. All these features come together to make the Fractal Design North Airflow, a unique statement piece that balances natural aesthetics with premium craftsmanship and powerful functionality. A perfect home for your next gaming or creative rig. If you want a PC case that's a breath of fresh air in both style and performance, the Fractal Design North is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep up with all our latest PC gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.